Welcome to the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, eager to share today's top business stories with you. NewsRamp.com selects the latest news from leading sources, ensuring you get the most pertinent information. A quick reminder, this podcast is created with the help of AI and AI voices, but the stories we cover are entirely real. You can find the full news articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Tuesday morning, October 14, 2025, and we've curated an intriguing lineup of finance news for you today. So whether you're in transit, at the gym, or at home, join us as we begin. Starting off with our first headline.
Investor news breaks: McEwen Inc. MWX to acquire Canadian Gold, TSXV, CGC in all-share transaction valued at $60 per share. McEwen Inc. UX has entered into a definitive agreement to acquire Canadian Gold Corp. TSXCGC in an all-share transaction valued at 60 cents per share. This represents a significant 96.7% premium to Canadian Gold's prior closing price. Upon completion in early January 2026, Canadian Gold will become a wholly owned subsidiary of McEwen, providing shareholders exposure to a diverse portfolio of assets and projects. The acquisition includes the Tartan Lake Gold Mine project in Manitoba, enhancing McEwen's growth profile and operational synergies. McEwen Inc. offers shareholders exposure to gold, silver, and copper projects in the Americas, with a focus on sustainability and profitability. For more information, visit the company's newsroom. Noble agrees to sell Island Pond claims to Benton Resources, Inc. Noble Mineral Exploration Inc. has agreed to sell its Island Pond claims in Newfoundland and Labrador to Benton Resources, Inc. The Island Pond claims consist of 7 mining claims covering 175 hectares in central Newfoundland. Noble will receive 1,000 common shares of Benton and $30,000 in exchange for the claims. Noble will retain a 1% net smelter returns royalty, while Benton will have a right of first refusal over any proposed sale of the royalty. The transaction is subject to certain conditions, including approval from Noble's board of directors and the TSX Venture Exchange. Noble's CEO, H. Vance White, expressed excitement for Benton's success on the Great Burnt and looks forward to future results. Noble Mineral Exploration Inc. is a Canadian-based junior exploration company with various mineral and exploration rights across Ontario, Quebec, and Newfoundland.
Falcon Energy Materials uplists to OTCQB Venture Market. Falcon Energy Materials plc has been approved to uplist from the OTC Pink Market to the OTCQB Venture Market, providing improved visibility and access to U.S. investors. Falcon's shares will now trade under the ticker symbol FLCNF on the OTCQB. This milestone is expected to enhance liquidity, increase transparency, and broaden exposure to retail and institutional investors in the U.S. capital markets. CEO Matthew Boss sees this uplisting as a crucial step in the company's growth strategy, aligning with their commitment to increasing shareholder value and maintaining high standards of corporate governance. For more information about the OTCQB and its requirements, visit www.otcmarkets.com.
Kayla Wilson wins 2025 Speets Law Invest in Your Future Scholarship. Kayla Wilson, a first-year nursing student at Georgia College and State University, has been awarded the 2025 Speets Law Invest in Your Future Scholarship, valued at $2,500. The scholarship aims to promote real-world money skills like budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management. Kayla's dedication to academic excellence and financial planning set her apart. She plans to use the scholarship to manage nursing school costs, improve budgeting, prepare for student loan repayment, and start building credit. Kayla's goal is to graduate in 2029 with a nursing degree and specialize in pediatric care. The scholarship will return in 2026, continuing Speets Law's mission to support ambitious students striving for academic and financial success.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit NewsRamp.com to read all of today's news.